Okay, so we got P196 and P198. You start it. Seems fine. Give it a little throttle. Seems like when you're coming off of a load. And then it just, when it's returning back to idle, it just dies. So we basically had two codes here, the P196 and the P198. Both of those are O2 sensor 1 codes. That's just bank 1 and 2. And basically they're both stuck rich is what I was saying, which indicates excessive air getting into the system somewhere. So didn't know what to do. He was going to take it to a shop. Well, ironically, the truck had been at a shop about 2 days before getting an oil change. So that was kind of a red flag to me. I didn't really get this part on video, but essentially opened up the air box and the air filter was just crammed in there. And so there's a bunch of air seeping through past the filter. And so it was trying to adjust for it, but it was outside of what the parameters of what the mass airflow could do, and it would stall in those situations. So you could see right where the air was sucking by because there was dust right there on the air box. So the filter was just kind of crammed into the air box, and so when it was crammed in there, it just created a little bit of a hole on the side, and the air was sucking through. So simple fix. We put a new filter in it just to be safe, and put the new filter in it. It was fine. So interesting kind of fix. Hopefully that's what your truck's doing, and hopefully it's an easy fix for you.